So the living room floor is getting ready to get started to go in. He's already pulled up some of the old stuff. I was kind of laying boards out to try to find the distinct patterns and separate them, but this floor is pretty unique. I think it's going to look really, really pretty once it's in. It is just like vinyl flooring. This is what it looks like. It's Ingenuity by Target. I don't know if that's right, but just floating floors. I think it's going to look really gorgeous in here when everything is all said and done. It's really dark, so you guys can't really get an idea of what it looks like, but it's very pretty. Much darker than what we had before. We had like this really yellowy kind of oak before, so definitely going in a different direction. But I'm very excited to see this go in. So Eric made quite a bit of progress on our floor last night. If you guys, you'll know that he started laying our living room floor, and he got quite a bit of it done. Don't mind the mess. Everything is in chaos. It always is during projects. He just has this a little bit left to do and down the hall, and then we can start trim and paint, and then finally, hopefully be done with projects for a little while. Look at how great it looks though. I love this floor. It's got a lot of gray tones and brown tones, so any kind of furniture that we put in here will match. Not that we're getting new furniture. We just got this furniture not too long ago, although it's completely falling apart. I don't recommend this sofa from Ashley because it's just a mess. We've already had them come and replace bits and pieces of it that have broken down, and it just continues to fall apart. So we're going to continue to use it, but I don't recommend that one. It's beautiful. It just doesn't hold up to wear and tear families. Anyways, I wanted to give you guys a look at the floor. Thought I'd vlog again today. We're on a roll, although I have yet to actually publish anything. So I need to get on that today. I need to edit. I need to take a shower and do something with my appearance, but I don't have any plans to go anywhere today. It's Thursday. I'm gonna make some chili because it's sort of chilly outside today. It's like a high of 70. We've got like that fake fall thing. If you guys are Michiganders, you know that you get like a little wave of cooler weather and you think, yes, fall's coming, and then it turns into like 95-degree weather the next week. So that's kind of the stage of weather that we're in right now, where it's starting to cool down, but only it's just faking us out. So I'm gonna make chili for dinner tonight. I'm gonna get that going here relatively soon, but I have a ginormous mess in the kitchen to clean up first. You guys can probably hear laundry going, so it's a good day. It's gonna be a great day. Bed is made. I always feel so accomplished when I manage to make my bed. I don't know why. It's not like it's a hard task or anything, but it just makes the whole room look put together, even though it's not. Alright, you guys remember that big pile of laundry I showed you yesterday? Well, this is the last load. I got it all done. I just need to get it folded. My laundry baskets are empty, at least for the time being. They'll get filled right back up again by the end of the day, but for now I'm psyched. The laundry is done. Alright, you guys, so we are doing double duty right now. In this pot, I have ground beef and onions, getting started on my chili. And in this pot, I just have ground beef that I'm browning up for taco meat. This is going to go in the fridge for tomorrow night. This we're going to have tonight. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm just browning up my ground beef and getting my onions cooked here. And then I will get the base of my chili put together. I do a really easy chili. It's just a lot of can dumping mostly. Chili beans, tomato juice, crushed tomatoes, and of course lots of seasoning. And then my taco meat is like the easiest thing ever. It's just ground beef. Sometimes I throw in some rotel. I don't have any today, so I'm not going to do that today. But then it's just taco seasoning. And I buy the great big McCormick taco seasoning, so I always have it on hand because we do tacos a lot. Alright, you guys, so my taco seasoned ground beef, there we go, it's pretty much done. Just letting it simmer for a little while longer. Chili's coming together nicely. So far in here I have the ground beef, the onions, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, 2 cans of the mild chili beans with their juice. I have a packet of the original chili seasoning mix in there, and about 3/4 of a packet of the hot seasoning mix. So this is essentially the base of the chili. It's going to simmer all day, but I am going to top it off with some tomato juice just to fill the pot. I know some people use broth, chicken broth or something. I've always used tomato juice. That's what my mom used. So it's a very tomatoey chili, but it's seasoned up with tons of seasoning. It tastes so good. We always top it with shredded cheese and saltine crackers, sour cream. So very excited to have my chili tonight. I'm going to go ahead and top this off with the tomato juice. Eric will drink the rest. He actually loves tomato juice, so that's great. And then this is going to simmer all day. This I'm going to let cool completely, and then I'm going to put it in a container for tomorrow night's dinner. 2 birds, 1 stone.